Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can Have an Immigration Canada. In this video, want to give you the news about Quebec. There is a good news coming from all the permanent residents, those temporary foreign workers and the foreign students who are in the province of Quebec at this moment, and government Quebec is easing some of the PEQ rules, the Quebec Experience Program that were announced in May. There were some hard rules as I mentioned at that time, they were announced in the month of May. They're making some adjustment now to the PEQ reforms for the foreign students and the temporary foreign workers. Let's go into the detail. Uh, uh, the students who are already in Quebec who will have obtained a diploma that is eligible for the PEQ or for the Quebec Experience Program, or who will obtain it by December 31st of this year 2020, will be able to apply under the rules in effect before the new guidelines will come into effect. The government of Quebec has announced stricter rules for the PEQ on May the 28th, increasing work experience requirements for temporary foreign workers from the current 12 months to 36 months to be eligible for the PEQ program. The length of the work experience required for temporary foreign workers has now been set to 24 months only. There is a relaxation of 1 year has been given. In May, the government have announced there will be 3 year work experience required to be eligible for this Quebec Work Experience Program, but now it has been cut back to 2 year. In the month of May, if you guys all have seen my video that time, Quebec has also announced the requirement of 12 to 24 months of work experience for international students depending upon their program of study to be eligible under this program. But as of the new announcement that came this week, it was announced that the duration and the work experience requirement for student will also be relaxed. As such, the work experience acquired during the mandatory internship as a part of program of study will also be considered under your regular work experience. That will be up to 3 months of your full-time work experience. Before, there was no consideration was given to that. The changes announced this week will take into effect on July 22nd of this month. Until the new regulation come into force, the current requirement of PEQ eligibility will continue, but from 22nd, these new work experience requirement will be there. If we go and look at the overview of the Quebec Experience Program requirement, PEQ, the Quebec Experience Program, is a part of two economic immigration programs in Quebec. The one is being the regular skilled worker program. The PEQ was also launched in 2010 and quickly became very popular within the province of Quebec. Uh, this provide a fast track for the permanent residents for temporary foreign worker and the international student who are already in Quebec. For international student to be eligible for this, international student who obtain a university degree in Quebec or a Quebec diploma of a college studies will also require to have a 12 months of full time before under NOC O, A and B, but now it will be 24 months. So for the temporary foreign worker program will now be required to have at least 24 months of full-time work experience in NOC O, A, B and C levels also. They will also be required to hold such employment at the time of application. You cannot say that I have done my job before, but now I must apply this and should get the permanent residence. No, you should have your uh, job at the time of application. Uh, French knowledge for spouses also, in order to ensure that the all candidates selected under the PEQ have a minimum knowledge of French and to promote the better opportunities for the integration into Quebec society. The province now require all the spouse of the principal applicant under the PEQ to demonstrate at a level of 4 with the spoken knowledge of the French. If your spouse does not have a French ability, then your application will be denied. So the certificates for successful completion of the advanced intermediate level French courses issued by the Educational Institution of Quebec will no longer be admissible as a proof of language of French. However, individuals who have already taken are taking or have been registered in the courses prior to coming into the force of new regulation will still be able to submit those documents as a proof. Let's say you have gone to some college and you have done some kind of a diploma in the French language, but you did not give the TEF, the French language test, as compared to with the IELTS. So if you do not have before July 22nd, you can still submit, but after that it will not be entertained. Then you have to have your TEF with a spoken level 4 knowledge of French for your spouse. So that was a little update that's coming from Quebec. So they have relaxed these work requirements for the Quebec Experience Program, the PEQ, for the international students and the temporary foreign worker. So that was a little update. I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.